he's again made a very controversial statement, a racial statement, heavily loaded racism in this statement. What he has said, I'll just read out. He has gone on to say, हमारे देश में proto-Australian है, Negro type class. He's used the N-word. I'm sorry, we cannot use this. Mongoloid class hai. Let's take a listen into, in fact, what exactly Adhir Ranjan had to say. And this is, once again, another political story that we are tracking. Massive controversy brewing after Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary's statement. Take a listen.
देखिए, एक कोई व्यक्ति के अपना अपना सोच पे मुझे कोई ज़्यादा बोलने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. अपना सोच विचार रखते हैं. हमारे देश में प्रोटो ऑस्ट्रेलियन है, निग्रेटा है, मंगोलॉइड क्लास है तो है. हमारा देश की क्या है, ये डेमोग्राफी जो है हमारे देश की, हमारे देश की जो टोपोग्राफी है, ये रीजन जो है, ये रीजनल फीचर भी अलग अलग होते हैं. ये तो होते हैं रीजनल फीचर अलग अलग. हमारा हिंदुस्तान में प्रोटो ऑस्ट्रेलियन है, मतलब निग्रेटा क्लास है, मंगोलॉइड क्लास है, ये तो है. कोई अपना तरफ से क्या व्यक्तिगत रूप से कोई कुछ कहते हैं, वो अपना उनकी राय है. इसमें हम तो देखते हैं कि हमारे सारे शिक्षा में यही हमें सिखाए जाते हैं. सब तो किसी को देखने को नहीं होते, कोई सफ़ेद होते, कोई काला होते. होना तो है, क्या करें, जिसको जो होना है.
All right, so there you heard Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Now he's clearly parroting Sam Pitroda's his thinking, his line. We saw what happened yesterday. Sam Pitroda, later on we saw the sham that was pulled off. We saw how Jairam Ramesh tweeted saying that, oh, Sam Pitroda has voluntarily resigned. We are not sacking him. He has resigned himself, maybe out of anger because he was condemned by the party. And what happens later on, just today, after less than 24 hours later, we see Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, a senior Congress leader, saying that the people of the country look a particular way. These are the words we can't even use here, viewers, what we are telling you right now. He's also saying that they are the Mongoloid class, and this is something that is extremely racist, and there is no reaction from the Congress leadership also. And once again, we see the Congress party mocking Indians, and this seems to be a race between the leaders of the Congress party to be as racist as possible against the country, against the people of the country. Another Gandhi loyalist using such words for Indians. We do not know what the Congress party is actually trying to achieve via this during the Lok Sabha elections. The divide and rule policy is Congress's policy, and you have the testimony to it right now. Congress party silent on Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who leads them in the Lok Sabha. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary parroting